Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So this is the last step for creating the pneumatic diagram. First thing first, you have to know the template of the diagram. Okay, for this template, it will be using for any process, any sequence, either 3 cylinder or 2 cylinder. If you have a process with 3 cylinder, just add another set cylinder C with the directional control valve. The rest is still the same, and the group is still the same. We only have 2 group even though we have 3 cylinder. Okay, next is to start with the pneumatic diagram. We have to refer to our logic statement. Step 4, logic statement, which is based on this statement. Let's take a look at A plus first. So A plus, we have X G1. So how to connect the lines? We have to directly take the place here from A plus. Since there is no limit switch, that means X here connected to line 1 G1. So that means X G1. Okay, X means no limit switch here. Okay, the second one is A minus. So take a place here. So for A minus, we have B node G2 to connect the line with the limit switch B node, and the rest connected to the line 2 G2. So make sure you have a jumper here so that it is not connected to line G1, line 1 G1, because we want to connect it with G2. We have to make a jumper here. Okay, so for B node, when the cylinder is normally in retract position, so we have to put on the left side. Okay. Next, B plus. So B plus, starting from here, it is connected to A1 G1. So we have to draw a limit switch A1 here and connect it with line 1 G1. So since cylinder A is in retract position, it is touching a anode, not A1. So A1 is not activated, so we have to put on the right side. So next is B minus. So B minus, the statement here is X G2. So again, when there is an X, that means there is no limit switch here. So that from B minus here, directly connected to line 2 G2. So make sure you have to remember you to put the jumper here. And then for the connector E1, we have ST start anode G2. So from E1 here, we have to connect with start push button. So make sure you change the symbol here, push button, and then connected to anode. So again, anode, cylinder A is in retract position, so the piston is touching an anode. So we have to put on the left side, and then it is connected to line 2 G2. And last one is E2. The statement here is B1 G1. Okay, from E2 here, connected with limit switch B1. Again, B1 is in retract position, so it is not touching the B1 limit switch. So we have to put it on the right side, and then connected to line 1 G1. Okay, don't forget to connect the cylinder with the DCV, directional control valve, where this is the normal position of the tube. Same goes to cylinder B. That means when there is an compressed air coming through from here and make the cylinder in retract position, so it push the piston into the position, and the rest is going to the exhaust. So that's all. So we have all together 7 steps in order to create a pneumatic diagram. So good luck everyone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.